seated right in front of me here, the guy they call Tygawan, and he has a song out here. I mean, I don't know whether you've heard of him before. If not, this is the opportunity to get to know. Jana Mwakwaba.
Yeja.
Bibiaboko.
Yami Adum Biaboko.
Nice one. Yami Adum. You ran so other room. It's in Quem. Man is so hair crack. I believe this. The Fina more hair crack. Yaka Tygawan. Who is Tygawan?
Tygawan, new up and coming artist. Yami Amagana for any Santa Mai.
Okay.
Yeah.
Meaning say before becoming an upcoming artist, no. Not Tygawan is known to be doing something else, and I say you've just been on the cool, you need more for me.
Okay, you say you manage but not because of financial problems in the other didn't know. Now go point down piano. I think that is the right time.
Okay.
This year, I go point the member Ghana for.
One famous question of mine, Busan say, "Nyamebe mao talent to do something and egumwa hodo."
Yeah.
You are doing music. Why music? Is it purely the talent to feel nyamedia mao and I say something you've learned because when it home?
I just say no. Me angasa me home. Me home like me botai me home say music na actually anko pon the mami.
Okay.
Because the times now me so no na meta to nkrofonyom.
Okay.
Nkrofonyom panty. Me say like why say other na me continue and throw me there. So I started way back 2013.
Okay. Acho.
Ache. 2013.
So I feel baby Jesus was real.
I answer me to her. Na bada mi so.
SS and Jesus.
Job me now. Ana the other way mum. SS mum.
27.
Me be calculation. Mama Tiger income we na be calculation. So Tiger choosing music egumu ahodo bebre. Say 2013 there. At least na oye sebi Ghana ni na usua nyoma. Ye beka say they need good some say choose from no. Not endorse compared to now.
Yeah.
Because the case at time now, high life was there. You could hear hip life. Boga hala or your music genre is not a limited.
Yeah.
See, I mean, okay, say I can't see a young music genre. I'm saying, you bit my creativity.
You know, craft.
Afro black in your bit in there. I can say music genre. So starting way back 2013, what type of music now? Obeka say a year what there I was singing along. I tune you to the mindset. You could also do your best and write your own.
Oh, okay. Afro music. I say Afro. But
as way back 2013,
2013.
You were
I was a rapper that time, but rap no. But shada fenye juma mo.
Na command also.
Me share media no so rap is good na. Na intimi mo ami so achieved it. You know. We decided say and you take it different way na then ye more ya hona ye nti me fa say me singing.
Okay.
Na me try singing and say and so ba God means so good ye share singing nonsense so we say me nya more people are or more motivating me say me singing is better than say me rap so I have to stop the rap and then continue with the singing.
2013 to 2025 I didn't come along the way. I remember now Obeka say you had that trigger like ja or some bab on thing you media hit. Remember now the who's
I think so way back 2021.
Okay.
The young people one thing title near OBY.
OBY.
Yeah, OBY.
OBY na say OBY just OBY.
OBY.
Okay.
Yeah. Obi white is Obi Abe.
Ka Obi Baya.
Yeah, that time you know na me who say no. The way me release this album na nkofo bebre getting into 8 no me who say me focus more.
Yeah.
Na me yeden cause I Obi why no ekoya could do France radio can say I forgot it.
France 24 na.
Yeah, and find you be
okay.
Radio France ena enipa bebre ka ho se me do adum TV ne ade na me kon interview ne ade nti ama me hu se no ese me put more effort
from 2013 2013 through to 2021, I say how you felt you should put more effort into the songs that you bring out. No, Braba BC 2025. How many songs to credit?
Oh, okay. Maka say is here the ewa bontin is here. Maka say 5.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nina answer no.
Nina.
With all singing, and I say
singing.
You have a rap song
But
on there.
Nah, only singing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nina answer singles, and I say
you are me feature will be or feature OJ Crystal ni Namas ni.
Okay.
So
I want to know say Nina single songs. Or would you say what can be my EP and album and that's single song?
Album.
Okay,
EP.
Okay, but the Nina singles.
Yeah, Nina single
song. So 5 songs to the credit of Tygawan to see I can search for Ibinya. And
it's available on all streaming platforms. Yeah.
And known features have been so also the likes of Snake and
Snake, OJ Crystal, Namas.
Okay.
Yeah.
So far, so good. How would you say the music industry treat you? 2013 being a rapper, turning yourself to singing. 2021 taking it serious, dropping 5 singles from Wow. How would you say the music industry? How has it treated you? Would you say fair? And I said, would you still say there are opportunity doors? I was a man for Timmy How would you describe it?
Yeah, Ejumano, I say, I can't say. Ojuma power be no enema nkrofo everything ebe hwe chira kwan nti no me hu say ejuma amaye no I think say me deserve say nkrofo eden etu eguso na omo hwe me chira kwan yeah because me nyo be like me yenwum a utie ni ba kra obetie ni mienu
okay
aha
we obi a wo bonyo ma etie ni ba
kra say utie ni
so say tie bi o
so na etie
okay.
Because me any na motivational songs any ade nyuma like a can nkrofo akoma yeah omo feel say omo opportunity and I say omo any that so say bibia betimi aden ewi pay am omo. So
you talked about financial difficulties all started when you to no sisi am no te heading komo ya ukiki ye black na uti ye brown na change here be tregu komo here which maka say afa no music wise sisi awa na wo ye wade ana say you have people on board so mo de musika bibia
yeah na me yema de obuafo ni me bia obuafo na na
tia say dey afa
obuafo na na
tia na say dey afa ska kaba
ska ni nyamba ba kakra ide kakra
fajide kana o kwa na kwa ma sigofi na eja okwan Scanaba. Na medel.
Abana e basumo. Aha. What I say ba mo. Cause me share many more. De me nai esisi so a me ko no.
Yeah.
I mean a lot. Many abre pan say me pese afui de. Mema owense menya me debi. Yeah, eni abre ankasa.
2025 out of 5 songs, no do saying are we releasing in this year?
This year the Minya release song bia I think that is the first song I may be release this year.
Okay.
And last year na me release Hard Guy. Last year.
Yem fem free home ma. It said general knowledge amanfo bia Canada obi a share ni view say your man Ghana mu especially when you are in an election year. Oh yeah artists now once steady say year ne war. Now release nyum bia emfa. Would you say 2024 the song you released a fire fans would you attribute it to say it was an election year?
Amfa.
Then
I think say that time in no me dey share financial problem asem because
you say about to about
enya about to asem na financial problem na ma enyom no amfa.
Yeah.
But I believe say ebia atia e ba ko wo no
nanka washi muki na.
Yeah.
So 2025 the project out there by you talking about is here what's the inspiration behind that?
Atia no it's talk about one of my friend your friend no Atinga.
Okay.
Yeah. Now one day me ho no ba say ne ho akire no comedy no na fe so na yere so aba ne nchen ne ska odi bi ja ne kwan kra no oni bi nti no okase sama mwana na nim gu ase nti okansa na mi so okay we de ahwe ni penuane nipa ma me yere me pe 100 Ghana bia de mfama no ti pe 100 Ghana ne ma no ti me de scan ma no e na me share no different place na ne wife na o kana ho asem so wa ba nche no nyi ska kra ma no o ya tia like o slim nti me hu ni sa na me Opemsuo ena de atia ba wi atinga ne nti enyo no
madam for de atinga
madam for no
na ohun girl no ohun so ya
atia na me ka say ena de atinga ba wi atia ne nti enyo no e ba sare na me say ade we de me hwe de we a ode areho bai say opiska am ahwe like eja na yere kwan na ode bi a supporting no na oni bi no hu se nipa nu ya nipa te enyo no wutie a ne hu nsem no is talk about sa
ewa ye be boka kameti for ti wi anu ma charity for baby o menye bia say they will get to follow you and then also listen to other songs of yours and then listen to Atina. But give me a line in Atina before my Kalesma, but give me a line in Atina.
Okay. Before then, mamin to Nkrancha KumaseFie nyina and Ghana for nyina Santimai. Nkoso ntina yeah. Okay, mama line no na mo hu de ntia anwom ne ba. Okay. Osi, se wudi bia mo binni Uye bia mo binye bi. Uwe bia mo binye bi. Ushe bia mo binche bi. Nipenia, miaminia. Nipenia ni nipa. Se wudi bia mo binni bi. Uye bia mo binye bi. Uwe bia mo binye bi. Ushe bia mo binche bi. Nipenia. Miaminia, nipenia ni nipa, nipenia, miaminia, nipenia ni nipa,
flag. Yeah. Me body. But I have a question to ask.
Okay.
Atiana who no.
Yeah.
Oh, describing no. So bar. Ube describing the same. Send who of fair. And as I say normal. Ube man a day. Would you?
I think I know why for now. If I'm not Tiana dear. So far. 100% 100% meeting I want to be 50.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm share the way I know it na me say we dey atia gasa. Atia mo atia.
The one we say say o no say obi di bia o ma oni bi. Wa ko hu I think the other na o ma oni anu bia na say I think I'm na how was it like?
Mr. Black,
I think at the end when you bring one, I say, what's the mindset?
Mr. Black, would be a mobindi bino? Ebia in your mind, no when I be our fan of bad way and I be for fraud. Maybe someone doing says, would be a mobindi bino. That time I'll buy and I reward the buyer. Me who say no, I have to help him. Because, yeah.
It is that time I won't be no.
Mention that
so money be.
Next every man be.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's in no, it can't my mom make her say would be a mobindi be. Cause they be at that time in some one and can go as a cano. Yeah, go as a cano.
It's in yes, who at Tiana or Condo at
Mr. Black.
I think I'm only be. And I think I'm out now. They can.
Yeah.
Nice. So I don't release it that way.
Yami Adumani 8 p.m. and I am neighbor life.
Oh, that's the first time I play in Bukrani, boy.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. 8
but
p.m.
so far, no, you promote dropping some sound in our TikTok. Okay. And a lot of people are getting into it.
Okay.
We used to sound in the other day. Yeah.
No. Is it part of a plan? And I said, we'll be the quarter on.
No, it's the part of the plan. They plan say you have to because sometimes no the union bad one thing I say ma for do mo done or mo crash him before and sana would have to one chain.
Now taking that approach because as a help who numbers show to it and all.
Yeah, me any sana so abo apa because you see ana me menya numbers kakra ni me dem ja tu am say ejabetum
Yente kakre bi na me ba baby a nyumi we be releasing on we din ayenko search for the song title and everything and so na o the amati for near wrap up the conversation.
Yeah, I'm gonna see.
Anticipate. There's a share ni mu say beba. Time be na nyumu ye drop song title ne ye de ehemfa na ye pe bia kotia ye benya tie no.
Oh, okay. Time no be releasing on 8 p.m.
Okay.
Enyampa 8 p.m. in the morning.
Okay.
And I know the title near Atia. You didn't see a Tygawan, Tygawan, no space, your boom bako, Tygawan, Tygawan. And you're on our platform, Audio Mark, Oko Google Subenya, I can't say ZackNation.net, and Doro, I can't say Doro.com, yeah.
Okay. 8 p.m.
8 p.m. sharp.
On all streaming platforms.
All streaming platforms.
Tygawan, Tygawan. Song title
one time.
Baby Bushy be a baby. Yeah, quite finary. All the new mean my idea into Christmas. And I say, over my full before the.
Nah, we are near the room.
Okay.
We are near the DS Mass.
Okay.
You know, Miss Rubia say. So we want to yeah, it's my song now. I'm a dear Bruno. It's my song be on the baby.
That's nice.
Yeah, we ain't there. You be more smart, no. What you say? See, I feel no KumaseFie
beja. Streaming platforms. So see, din the war
Tygawan.
Social media handle or we can so full.
Tygawan, Tygawan, Tygawan.
On all social media platforms.
All social media platform, Tygawan.
Okay. Now, how do you also get already released songs? That's you said you have 5 songs.
Yeah.
I think I can have 5 and
yeah. No, I think I can have 6. Yeah.
And the other 5 songs of Tygawan, no.
Yeah.
Song titles number 1, Mami.
Oh, okay.
Didn't they who I song titles no?
OBY, Tygawan featuring Namas.
Okay.
Second one here, Uniska, Tygawan featuring OJ Crystal. Third one, Money No Day. And the Tygawan and a fourth one here, Hard Guy. And I think say I have another one, but I don't know what different platform.
Okay.
And you know title your jar, but you know so search at Tygawan, but I didn't know there's a little mistake. Oh ma,
okay.
And the about Tiger na space na one number, but you know see available, but we search Tygawan and you know be biaba Tygawan.
Iniska Money No Day, one the bar Hard Guy. This is scanner banana.
Yeah.
Scanner banana.
Scanner dia aba. Eba.
Be I say aba. It's like a car banana the John aba. Tiger, yes, so there's some Nabekache people getting to know you now. I feel no mutual there's Nabekache or more Musunim. And how should we anticipate or how should you wait for the song that's gonna be released this evening 8 p.m.
They make catch a Ghana for you and say me a share. Me a Santa Mind share. Me he be a more and obia support say and you know. And you more say you do want grow to me he be a more say ubia the impuli up. Ewa you mention you to me friend the brunya. Now feeling so in Shrankan will be a so or Tibo be a you know minimum puna or then a bundle and also then a BB. Share minimum and now the video posting our social media platforms in it. Some of the platforms are micro minimum that in Shranko BBA ne Shranka Opemsuo FM soon for Shranka Nananso.
Tygawan, yes, that's it. When you're about the song yet to be released 8 p.m. We have a show at then, but then after 8 or 9 we try our best say best spinning the song my phone say it's out there. We still give our listeners a bit of it.
Thank you.
Then streaming platforms never say Siswama and TF they could go check out your old songs. They could check out this new one when it release. When you're about hiding when the here becomes your home. Anytime there is a new project and that's what we for be about no my associate.
Thank you.
We'll do our best and we also project it out there. Now my phone says Tygawan has a brand new one out.
All right.
But then at the December.
One time.
Scanning so about scanning so by multiple just a streaming number. Tygawan that's all right.
That's what I must say.